everyone, welcome back to Nando Design Journey. Today, I will design a dark mode car interface with Adobe XD. In this video, I will talk about car interface layout, dark mode, neon light effect, and vehicle UI elements. Before drawing anything, I like to make sure who the users are and what kind of scenario they are in. This can help us know what type of information needs to be included and arrange the interface. The scenario is a 20-year-old driver who has a fancy car. He gets the routes to the Castro Theater by using a map. Before heading to the destination, he checks whether or not each door has been locked well. Let's begin the design with the layout. Based on the needs, we can split the screen into 4 parts: vehicle status check menu, GPS app, status bar, and navigation bar. The status check menu and GPS map take most of the screen. The left side is about the car status, things like which door is unlocked and the gear you are in. On the right hand, it shows the map and navigation notifications, tell you how to get to the destination. There are 2 navigation bars. One is on the top, it shows the time and the date. The other one is on the bottom to show the essential functions, like the main menu, winds, seat, fans, and etc. To show the fancy and high-tech, I will use dark mode and neon light effect in this design. 3 tips can help you make a more user-friendly dark mode interface. I will explain them one by one. First, all dark themes strive to meet the accessibility requirements to ensure users with low vision or that rely on contrast can access the information. 2 contrast ratio may make you feel confused. 15.8 to 1 will be considered when the font color is confirmed. Number FFF, FFI, and you wanna choose a dark background color. Like this example, the text is more legible when the ratio is 15.8 rather than 7. We will think about 4.5 to 1 when we choose a theme color. We've already confirmed the dark color. To ensure the readability, the contrast ratio of theme color and dark background should be higher than 4.5. WebAIM is the tool that you can use to check the color contrast quickly. I will leave the link in the description box. From this diagram, we can see desaturated colors are more legible than saturated ones. Say no to 100% black. Google Material Design recommends using dark gray rather than black as a primary dark background color. It's easy to see the shadow on gray, expressing broader range of color and depth. It also reduces eye strain. If you want to know more about the dark mode design, please check Google's Material Design website. Let's jump into the screen and learn how to create a neon light effect in XD. This is the car interface I made. And I wanna add a neon path to this design, a path from De Young Museum to the Castro Theater. Start from Robson, then go to Hornby Street, turn right on the Dearmere Street eventually. What we are gonna do is changing its color to white. To ensure the legibility, I will change its thickness to 4. Name this layer as White Road. Then I duplicate this layer by using Command D and name it Green Road. It should go a little bit thicker than the white one, something like 7. I'm gonna adjust its color to primary color. Move it beneath the white one. It's a little bit hard to see the green, so I increased the path thickness to 8. There we go. We've got a neon path. To make the path more neon, I will use the magic tool Blur. First, press Command or Ctrl D, duplicate the green path, and name it as Green Road Blur. From this blur dropdown, change this to Object Blur. We can adjust the blur by using this slider. There we go. That's how we create a neon path in XD. It's really easy, isn't it? Last but not least, content must be legible and glanceable. Touch area must be large enough that drivers can identify under all viewing conditions. To ensure the readability, in this design, the smallest font size is 24. Please check Google's Design for Driving. It provides a set of text styles for a range of display text, body text, and subtext sizes. It may be helpful when you are doing the design for the vehicle interface. I will leave the link in the description box. If you want to learn more about the standards of a car's UI design, please check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions and comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, like and share. See ya in the next one.